Hi, EDS 6120, welcome. I'm here to help you out with problem 15 from the pretest. It's the one addressing the standards from 7th grade, which was on mean and mean absolute deviation. Okay, so in your problem you had two sets of information. The first data set had Class A books read, so there was 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And then Class B, the students read 4, 5, 5, 5, and 6 books. Okay, so just looking at that data, what we want to do is kind of compare it. So if you were teachers, how would you kind of compare the two classes? Obviously, someone in Class A reads a lot of books, and then in that same class, someone doesn't read that many books, right? And here you have a lot of 5s, which would be your mode. So mode is the number that you see the most. So if you wanted to take the range, you would just take the smallest, subtract that from the largest, or max minus min. So your range for Class A would be 9 minus 1, which is 8. So this is A. And your range for Class B would be your max minus min. So again, it's 6 minus 4, which is 2. So as you can see, we compared the two. Class B has less of a range. Class A has a pretty wide range. And minimum, maximum, I think you guys know these. Minimum here for Class A is 1. And the minimum for Class B is 4. We already talked about that. The max is the biggest number, so here it's 9, and for Class B the max is 6. And the mode. Okay, the mode for Class A is the number that you see the most often, or the one that's happening most frequently, and in this case there's none. The mode for Class B happens to be 5 because it happens 3 times. 3 of the students read 5 books, so B has a mode whereas A doesn't. And then finally, very important, is the mean. The mean is just your average, and as you know, you just want to find the average.